Hi folks, how are you? It's Simon here. We're going to learn a melody and chord version of Fly Me to the Moon today. And what we're going to do first is we're going to learn the chords, and then I'll put a timestamp where we're going to add the melody in as well. So if you're just here for chords, that's cool. Here we go. In a minute, we'll do the melody. I'll put a timestamp. So we are in A minor. We're going to play A minor 7 first. It's an A minor chord here at the 5th fret. So we've got that's a D minor 7. It's an A minor shaped bar chord. And then we're going to go to G here, G7, D shaped chord at the 5th fret also, and then into C major 7. And then, right, so those first 4 chords are A minor, da, 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 D minor, G7, da, da, C major 7, take it off. All right, so that one's an A major shape, and then you're just going to the dominant 7 there, C7. All right, next line. We played an F major 7 like this, down, then B minor 7 flat 5, so I've got 3, 5, 5, 5 for the F major 7, and then I'm going to play B minor 7 flat 5, ba-dum, bum, and then we're going to play E7 like a D, but with the bass in the bottom, on the low E string, da-da-da, then minor, A minor 7, A7, and then D minor, da-da, G7, right? And then we're going to move, that's for the melody part a bit later, right? And then we're going to go into C major 7. And you can play A minor, E minor 7, da, da, and then da, 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 da. So we're going to slide that into D minor 7, hit the F, right? G7, down, down, B minor, E7. Okay, so that's the chords. I hope you caught all of those. Now the melody is really clever in this song. It basically starts at C, comes down 5 notes, goes back up, starts at B, comes down 5 notes down the scale. So you basically get this. And you'll notice that G sharp is our key because it comes over the E7 chord. All right, so let's see how it's going to work. We're going to play A minor 7 with the C on the top there with your pinky. Walk down, right? D minor 7. Walk up. Right, here's G7. Second part of the melody. So again, that's A minor 7, G7, walk down, C major 7, C7. Then we've got second line, F major 7. So that's A, G, F, E, right? B minor 7 flat 5. Then we're going to do, so B minor 7s, that's 2, 3, 2, 3, right? E, F, A, and then we're going to play our E7 as a D shape. Then we're just going to move across here and play, so pull off, or play, and then A minor 7, A7. Okay, so that second line is F major 7, B minor, E7, right, C major 7. So let's talk about that. We've got D minor, and then down to G7 here, just to kind of ground it a bit. So, ba, and then C major 7 here, because that's your melody note here. This is the G. So we need 8, 9, 9, 8, right? and then E minor 7, and then A7. Now I'm doing something a bit fancy here. We can slide in, right, into D minor 7. You could go, if you wanted to make it a bit funky there, with that A flat in there, right, and then we hit G7 again, G9, C major 7 sus4, B minor, E7. Okay, so those last two lines, the last 8 bars, basically kind of pretty much the same chords. So you have that dum, bum, bum, G7, G7 sus4, C major 7, and then E minor. If you really wanted to be super jazzy, play it E minor 7 like that, 7, 5, 7, 8. Play A7 like that, leaving the G on the top there. And then we're going to slide the A9. Right? I'm pinching the A and G strings there. Right? G7. And then we're going to go that's G9, so we need 5, 7, 6. 5, 7, 6, 5. Right? That pinky there, and then you can keep that there. Okay, and then B7, pretty normal chord, E7. If you really wanted to fire it up, you could play B minor 7 flat 5, and then E7 with a flat 9, which is kind of sadder in a way. Beautiful though. Right, and then round you go again. How you play my arrangement of Fly Me to the Moon so you can catch the chords and the melody. If you need the chart, it's over at Patreon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Any questions, pop them in the comments. Bye for now.